7920 Cherry River. We have another property very nearby and others in the area. We have a lot of security cameras, which they'll probably take with them because they look pretty expensive. Power wash, landscape cleanup, of course, trim back the trees from the roof. There's a school down there. We almost never repair stucco or paint, but I think we should here. There's no wood trim that needs to be maintained, so that's good. And also repair whatever is going on here. I don't know what that is. Looks like it used to, I'm not gonna guess. Possibly repaint this gate. Looks like it needs to be repaired right there as well. Maybe replace this passage knob. Maybe it's fine. That's the PM's call. Paint this front door. Smells like smoke in here, so I think the whole thing needs to be repainted. The blinds are 2.5 inches, but they're looking dated. Some wands are missing, valances are missing, so I'm just going to go ahead and assume that they all need to be replaced. Full repaint. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's one more over there, so 9. 1 vertical. And possibly keep those papers up there since they're up there, but maybe remove them from this picture window here. Again, PM call. Replace or repair as necessary. And we have this interesting structure. And here is a bit of a view of the tile. They're laid somewhat unevenly. It's really dark, grouting in some areas, which I think is dirt. So I think it may be a different color underneath the rugs. We have a little pet door over here. Incense! Okay, they're burning incense. I was trying to figure out what the smell was. Okay, I don't know where the pet is though. Okay, the sliders need to be fixed on that door. If there's a satellite dish, we remove it. Sometimes there's 2. Paint kitchen cabinets. So this room actually has a closet. I think it might actually qualify as a bedroom, but it's not going to be used as one. It will be used as an office. Repair that light, or just replace that light, and this electrical, this light switch there, since it was cracked. Replace light bulbs. That's something we do with all of the curly light bulbs. These cabinets look fine to me. Maybe replace that so they match the rest of the house. Garage is pretty straightforward. I personally like that there's windows on the garage, so it's not completely dark when you open the door. Rekey this door and the front door. Also standard. One thing that just feels a little weird to me in this house is there's always an open door behind you. No matter where you're standing, there's doors. Okay. I like this flooring. Replace those blinds. Okay. That's just some shelves in there. Okay. The flooring looks good from what I've seen. I like it. Paint these cabinets. I need to figure out what's going on with the toilet. Remove this, and I would recommend installing a ceiling fan with a light in it, since you have to remove that anyway, but you don't always need a light in the extra bedrooms. But I feel like this room's a nice size, and I really like the flooring. That's it.